Hey there, in this video we will check out the compare functionality from Intellibot. This functionality helps us to visually see what changes were made in the automation from the previous or the new version. So here I have with me an automation for shipping orders. The activity that we would like to compare, we can go ahead, right click on that activity, select source control. A new compare processes window opens up with the current activity and its components loaded in the bottom part of it. Here we can see this is our local activity, the activity that we are trying to compare. Here on top we can select the same activity from a different version of the automation. So we can select it from a remote project which is from the orchestrator, or we can select it locally. So to select the project locally, we can go ahead, click on local, then go ahead, click on the browse button. Here we can go ahead and select the process with which we want to compare. So let's go ahead and compare with the V1 of the automation. Select the automation file. It will automatically open the same activity from that process. Let's make this full screen. Here we can see that couple of components are coming in yellow color, which means there is a conflict in these components, meaning something has been updated in these components. So we can see here that our current project says sheet 1, whereas this component has orders. Similarly, in the expression component, the current process has weight upon 100, whereas it has been updated to weight upon 1000. So if we want to update these changes to our current project, we can go ahead, select replace and click on merge with current. It will ask us a confirmation. Selecting yes will update these changes from here, that is the remote project activity, to the local project activity. So we can see that this has been updated to orders and this has been updated to weight upon 1000. We can go ahead, close this compare process window, and we can see the same changes have been updated to this activity as well. Let's try and compare it with another process. So let's go ahead, right click on this main activity, select source control, click on local, and let's go ahead, select another process. Here we can see that couple of components are coming in red color, green color and yellow color. Again, the yellow color means changed or updated, and the red color signifies that this component has been removed, and the green color signifies that this component has been added. We can also see these component details on the left. So here we can see that which component has been updated and which component has been removed under the activity, and under it the components. So we can see that the message box component from our process has been removed and replaced with the console log component. Similarly, we can see the sheet name orders has been replaced with sheet 1. So that is how easy it is to use the compare processes functionality from Intellibot. Thank you.